Hey there, I'm Diana. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing and unpacking, if you will. And this is a bit of a surprise reveal because, backstory, I went on Amazon the other day fully intending to walk away with having ordered a Dooney & Werq handbag for fall. I thought I knew completely what I was going to get, and somehow I ended up wandering into the Radley London section on Amazon. And in case you didn't know, Amazon has a really nice selection of completely authentic, what I call like mid-level designer handbags like Coach, Michael Kors, Dooney & Werq, and Radley London. And I had seen Radley London bags when I was in Chicago last year. Kind of jumped out because they have a cute little dog and everything. They seem pretty well made. And this is not what I intended in getting at all, but this is what I ended up ordering. So let's open it up. This is my very first Radley London handbag. So we'll see what I think. I just basically ordered this sight unseen. And here's how they got me. So it says retail price $318. It was on super deal, like super deal. So the price was basically 2/3 off, 60% off, and it fluctuates on Amazon, so you have to check the link down below to see what it is right now. But it was such a good deal, I was like, you know, I really can't pass up this deal. And I was wanting something in this color. I did mention in one of my previous videos that I was looking for something in this color, and I still may order one of the Pom Pom London bags, but I'm looking at like kind of the smaller bum bag styles. So this would give me a kind of more satchel style bag that's a little bit bigger and can be used for just a little bit different things. So let's go ahead and pull all this paper and plastic off of there and get this open to see this thing. So this is the Radley London Werq satchel, and it's a very much like a medium size satchel. It's got this cute like turn lock, which is actually functional here in the front. And I loved the color of this. So you can see it's like my favorite style. If you have been around for a while, you know that I love these styles that have the longer strap and the two handles that you can carry it. And it was just really kind of in line with what I was looking for. So I was wanting something that was this beautiful kind of tan color, and this was a really great size. There's the strap. And so the whole thing with Radley London, if you don't know their handbags, because this is the first one that I've had, here's a little cute dust bag that popped out. This little Scotty dog is like their mascot. And so sometimes like their handbags almost seem a little bit whimsical. So I kind of am digging it. It seems very well made, and for the price I paid, oh my gosh, like such a good deal. So this is going to be a really great kind of day-to-day satchel. And the size is 11.8 inches, so just under 12 inches by 9.4 inches high. And then the depth, you can see, is 4.3 inches. So 4 inches here at the widest point, and then 9 inches high, and then basically 12 inches across. Plenty of room to have all of your everyday essentials. Here in the front, this would hold like either a thin card case, or your phone can fit down in here. And I have an iPhone, so you can kind of get the dimensions here. This is what it looks like to slid down here in the front, so very easy access if you have your phone down in there. And then on the inside, I love this because there's enough space to put your wallet, keys, hand sanitizer, even a small scarf, which I like having in the cooler months. So this is a really great kind of fall size bag, and what a surprise! This is not what I was intending on getting when I was on Amazon the other day, but I'm kind of really stoked about it. So this is the medium satchel, and I think it's a really great kind of everyday size. I'll do some try on with it as well too. But of course, since I was on there and it was such a good deal, I thought, well, why not get my first Radley London wallet at the same time too? I love when I can do like I don't always do a matching thing, but I love when I can do a matching thing. Cutest little tiny dust bag that it came with. And it just cinches down like that, and it says Radley London on the dust bag. And this is supposed to be the same color, so it seems like it might be a little bit darker. But on the inside, I really like this style that has a number of cards here. Oh, there's actually two. There's two slots where you can put either receipts or, you know, bills, anything like that. And then I liked, oh, it actually has two zipper areas too. There's a little zippered area here on the front, and a little zippered area here on the back. I like that because you can use change. Sometimes I like styles that have the zipper whenever I'm traveling, just to put little bits and bobs in there. So you can see very close in color, not exactly the same color, but again, I got a whale of a deal on both of these. So here's what it looks like down inside. We'll just toss that down in there, and you can see there is tons and tons of room. So just a nice little small wallet that you could also use with crossbody. And I really like this style wallet too. It's really good. So I'm pretty stoked. This is my first Radley London handbag. I think it should work out really, really well. I think it's going to be beautiful for fall. And let me know down below if you've ever had a Radley London handbag. It just kind of popped out at me, and I completely intended on buying a Dooney. And I still think I may get one of those smaller bum bags to use kind of as a crossbody in the fall as well too. But it popped out, I don't know. And I was like, oh, that's really cute. I think this will be a great fall handbag. So let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you in another video very soon, because I do have some other handbags I'm going to be sharing for fall as well too. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.